Hello, this is Sara Melanson from RE/MAX Real Estate Central. Welcome to 5220 33rd Street Northwest. This immaculate and lovingly maintained home is conveniently located close to schools and shopping. The living room has a large window and a wood-burning fireplace and a vaulted ceiling, so it has lots of natural light. Attached to it, you have a good-sized dining room area. The oak kitchen is very functional and has a large island with an eating area. There's two good-sized bedrooms upstairs, each with a large closet, and the master bedroom has a large double closet and a renovated two-piece bathroom. The basement is fully developed and functional, if a bit dated, with a large family room, a bedroom, storage, and a large laundry room. It has a park-like backyard to enjoy on your sunny summer afternoons. For more information, visit www.calgaryfamilyhomes.com and call your favorite realtor to view this property today.